Hello guys, and welcome on Symbols overview of the dryer SHARP KD. So the first symbol on the right side is the anti-crease function. There we have a delicate, and if you activate this one, you're gonna see the delayed start symbol on this panel. Then you have also three symbols here of your fighters, but I have to show it in the manual. So the first one, this is an indicator of the water tank. If you see something like that, you have to empty your water tank. The next one, this is a symbol of the fluff fighter. So if you see something like that, just clean the fluff fighter. And there we have the indicator about the heat exchanger. So if your appliance is overheated, it's too hot, just turn it off and wait to cool down. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.